tough game. But most important is to be more disciplined inside the tactical decisions, to be also more aggressive in the duels, because we did some in some moments good things, and in some moments we lost the concentration. It was bad decisions in that moment. So the next match, we know that we will face a very good players in front. They are very strong also, and if you don't have this level of concentration, is difficult. So we have to improve our moment when we're defending, and if you do this, we will be better for the next match. So, but the players know that. The players know what you have to do, and we trained very well. The reaction was very good. So I'm very optimistic, of course.
Alors, demain, nous savons.
To say how we will play and who will be the players. But obvious, each team, each game we have one different story, and tomorrow will be a different game than the preview game. So we'll choose the players that can give the answer for what we want. I don't change my mindset easy. So when something is not perfect, okay, we have to correct. We have to try to improve and to thinking well what is the best decision for the next game. This don't mean that we have to change a lot and we have to change everything because everything is bad. No, we are doing a very good job. We are doing a very good performance during this year and a half, and we believe what we are doing was the first match, and the second is a different story. If I have to change something, it's because the opponent give a different requests, a different answer from our side.
Alors, bien sûr, bien évidemment.
متأثرات بس مش بشكل كبير عشان احنا في البطولة وإنها طبعا احنا عارفين قيمة البطولة وبالنسبة لنا احنا جايين حاطين عندنا هدف واحد ان احنا ان شاء الله ناخد البطولة. طبعا اللعيبة الكبيرة عارفة الكلام ده كويس. احنا بعد الماتش خلاص قعدنا واتكلمنا مع بعض وخلاص احنا نسينا المباراة ونفكر في المباراة الجاية، حاطين بشكل كويس في المباراة الجاية وان شاء الله معانا توفيق بكرة ان شاء الله. شكرا.
Sure that after it.
No, for me, it's not a surprise. Not a surprise because I spoke before the match about the Mozambique also, but about the other teams. Now the teams are working very well, and I believe in this work with the teams. We see the results is very tough games and the big difficulties for the teams. So not any surprise for me. About our next game, I don't say if I have to change. I will not say that we have to change tactics or no. The more objective that the big objective that we have to do it is to be more consistent and more aggressive. And aggressive in not a bad term. Aggressive in mentality also. Because we believe that if you win 1 meter around us, we are much closer to win the game. And this is the mindset that we have to do for the match tomorrow. And after, believe in what we are doing, believe about the quality of these players, believe in our quality also, and face the game.
Alors, moi, je ne suis pas du tout.
أداء قصاد موزمبيق وده هيأثر علينا في البطولة اللي جاية.
No. Maybe we was not in the press conference, the preview press conference, but I was the first that said that Mozambique, if you was not strong, and we could have difficulties, and we had that difficulties because the teams work well, and Mozambique is a good team. Now we are a professional. We are a man. We are a big team also, and if one tournament is easy, not for us. Okay, all the teams have to face these problems, and the problems is not to have a problem. The problem is the reaction after the problem. Okay, if you don't have that reaction, okay. But now everybody react very well, and everybody know what we must do to win the next opponent. And we have a lot of respect about the game of Zulus because the quality is too much. But we have to face the game. We have to face and we have to face the quality of this opponent. But what we did before was important. We finish. Okay, we learn what we have to learn. But now it's another game and we have to clean and go. Clean, not forget. Clean what we did because you cannot repeat and you cannot recover the points, but we have to face the next.
Alors, pendant du tout, moi, je suis pas surpris par.
أكيد لا خالص يعني دي مباراة في بطولة تانية خالص مع نادي بتاعي. أنا دلوقتي هنا في منتخب مصر وبنلعب فريق كبير زي منتخب غانا طبعا، وفي طبعا لعيبة كبيرة محترفة ولعيبة على ليفل عالي طبعا. أكيد لا طبعا مختلفة بشكل كبير. إحنا بالنسبة لنا محضرين بشكل كويس للمباراة والفرقة كلها بصراحة مركزة، وإحنا أهم حاجة بالنسبة لنا بكرة زي ما قلت برضه في الآخر يكون معانا توفيق بكرة ونرجع ب3 بونت إن شاء الله. ده هدفنا بكرة إن شاء الله.
This is completely a different competition. The first one was with my club against the team in the different competition, but now we are playing in very high level players that are playing outside or in all the world, not in Ghana, and the competition now is completely different. But we are good prepared for this game. We are concentrated, and the most important for us tomorrow, winning the 3 points. This is our objective.
Alors, c'est une compétition.